In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can flip objects in Adobe Illustrator. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use the Properties window here. So I have this object here. It's one object. I'm going to make two of them. So I'm going to copy and then paste in front. And now I have two. Make sure they're on top of each other. And with the top one selected, I'm going to go to my Properties window. And then here we have the flip horizontal and flip vertical buttons, but we also have this grid with 9 squares, and this grid determines the reference point from where you're going to flip from. So for example, if you want to flip an object from the right side, you can choose either of these 3 squares here and then choose flip horizontally. As you can now see, it flipped from the right side. And if you want to flip from the left side, you pick either of the 3 on the left and then you flip. Just like that. And if you flip in the middle, this is what you get, because then it flips from the middle axis. Then if you select both of them, you can use a path finder and then choose Unite to create one compound shape, but you can also select both of them and then just flip horizontally, vertically, for example, and I'm going to flip from the middle, and then you get this. So when flipping objects, it's really important when using the Properties window to set your reference point with this grid here. So flip from the right side, choose any of the 3 squares on the right, from the left side, any of the 3 squares on the left, and then from the middle, any of the 3 squares from the middle. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.